Good evening, sailors. We have finally arrived at what can only be described as a stressful 6-hour drive. We now have our humble abode for the next few days. The Elegant, number 17. Does it look elegant? I don't know, maybe, possibly. Anyway, let's have a deeks. Whoa, who the fucking hell is that ugly boy?
Captain.
Mate, Captain Dawson. But yeah, man, let's have a... Captain suck me nuts, mate. But yeah, man, this room down the bottom has been claimed by me and Nick because it's absolutely the most spacious, like. Gonna be a good time. Gonna be a good time.
You made that sound so dodgy.
Mate, you made it sound dodgy. Can you believe, right? This boat has 3 bathrooms in it.
Ben's in that one, you don't want to go.
Nah, mate, we've been told we can't take fat dumps.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't boil the kettle.
Let's take a look up up tops. Oh.
So you got your keys on you, there's a couple of things left in the car.
Yeah. How's it going, Captain Jack?
I'm gonna get a route plan, laddie.
Oh, yeah?
Right, I'm gonna sit here looking all captainy. Does that look natural? Piss off, you bankers!
Right, so we can't actually move today because we had some difficulties getting here, let's say. So yeah, we're just gonna chill out tonight. We are expecting them to come along at about 8:15 in the morning. They're going to give us a bit of a boat induction, a crash course, one may say. Then we set sail from there. The idea is to get to Loch Ness and then get back here in the 5 days we have this boat. But whether that's actually possible, that's a completely different story. So for the rest of that night, we just kind of hunkered down, got on the drink, had some scran, got a bit political.
At the minute, we don't have enough workers.
Thought we had a ghost on board with us.
You know, if someone goes through there, it just stops. And
Is
that's what's
sketchy
weird
like.
about it.
Mate, ghost boats. Ghost boats. And then headed off to bed. Good morning. We have completed our first night's sleep, and I can say it was absolutely horrible. Can you hear that sound right now? The like fapping and slapping of waves off the side of the boat was literally constant all night, and it must literally, whatever's doing this slapping sound must literally just be on the other side of that, because it's loud as fucking, it's right next to my head. But anyway, probably got about 3-4 hours sleep last night, which meh, I feel rejuvenated. But no, we've got our boat driving course in about half an hour, and then we sail the 7 seas.
Right, so your bow thrusters is your steering for reverse. Right, so put it into reverse. Because the water is very shallow here. Right, so just look behind you. There's no steering the steering wheel. Now reverse. And just hold it in reverse. Now, you don't ever need to use full throttle. When you're reversing, use full because you're against the wind, but normally you don't have to. Because that is going to be very shallow, so the sooner you can get it turned and reversing in, it'll be a lot easier. Now, since they're off, you can throw it to neutral, and then they just tie you up. Perfectly done.
Our training is now being complete, and we are ready to set sail. We've got Captain Jack behind the wheel.
Why?
Right, off we're fucking.
Always got.
It's the one and only Digo Double G.
DJ Cumberbund.
Looking at my own reflection.
we're just heading through Loch Lochy. This is Loch Lochy, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and we're gonna get down to the bottom of here, and then I think we've got some lock gates to go through, so that will be interesting. That'll be very interesting.
So make our way down through the fissures, and then we'll get to these locks here. So we'll come in, and there's a pontoon there, we can dock up that, and then we'll run into shops and run it.
How are we looking, captains?
Good, very good. We're sailing for the rest of the night.
Very nice. Very nice.
They got GoPro.
Right, so we're currently heading into our first lock of the trip, but not a lock as in the body of water, a lock, like a fucking door lock kind of thing. Hello.
Yeah, not bad. It's the first lock we're coming through.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'll get you through once these guys are up and out. So that water looks like.
Here we go.
Keep the rope tight as you go down, keep the tension on it as the water drops. As tight as you can.
You used to do it from down there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Give us a shout when you need it back on. You won't be for a bit, but give us a shout, yeah?
Cool.
We're getting lowered now, aren't we?
You alright, lad?
We are, aren't we?
Looking beautiful.
Thank you.
It's okay, man.
Thank you. I need some hair products. You got any hair products?
I do.
Yeah, sailors have hair products.
Do they now?
Yeah, they got have good like slick back hair and shit, you know.
Yeah, man.
Right, look at that. They're really swinging the bridge for you. We're just going straight through.
Oh, Chad, mate,
Oh,
thank
brilliant.
you very much.
That's really sick.
Full speed ahead, Captain. Oh, God.
You know the evergreen, you know how that got stuck in the Suez Canal?
Yeah.
Stuck sideways. Basically, it's like subduction or something. If you're close to the fucking side of a canal, it like sucks you towards that side. Not a fucking chance.
Oh, he's going in for a faster docking this time.
He is.
Oh yes, coming in hot, lady.
Get it tied up, boys.
You're gonna miss that one there.
Co-op missions are currently afoot. So at about 11:30 last night on the boat, when everyone was thoroughly smashed, we've realised we didn't actually have anything that wasn't alcoholic. So that kind of sucked. So we've decided to fulfill water for a little bit, and obviously more alcohol. I mean, imagine living here with that background right there. That's sick. Sick, I tell you. Just embark.
I'll do the front one this time. Or...
Yeah. Wow, it's nice and tidy in here. I wonder who did that. Off we go, boys.
Look at this turn circle on the bow thrusters.
Handbrake turn. Handy B. Handy B. Oh, mate, checkers. Oh, that was beautiful.
Beautiful beauty. That was really good.
That was good. And we're away again. I will check in with you when our next team is necessary. Are we gonna fit,
It will
lads?
slow down. It's just because we've got momentum.
Oh, mate, this is gonna be closest, like.
I should say we could fit, so you know. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh, I should have put that.
Oh, fucking hell, bro.
I wanna hang on it.
Mate, that only just. Jesus Christ. Check out the rainbow, man. Right, just docking up for our second night. We can't get to where we want to be, so we're just gonna have to bite the bullet. We're gonna stay here, have a little party, you know, have a good time. I think we're gonna cook some naughty spaghetti bolognese tonight. That'll be nice. So to hopefully minimise the bashing from the waves we received tonight, we're trying to do some little trick that this dude showed us. Because honestly, it was intense. No one really slept.
Boy.
Go on, pull something. It's grand from your garden as well.
Are you munching? Yeah.
man.
So all these fucking veggies, I think Oaken brought from, what did you grow?
Not all of them.
Not all of them. Not all of them, but they're all from fucking.
Yeah.
Courgette, chard.
This is gonna be unreal.
Don't you worry, mate. This is gonna be fucking bad.
Good morning, humans. Right, last night was way more successful than last night. Actually got like a solid 7 hours. That was a glorious sleep. There was no slapping on the side of the boat from the waves in there, which is delicious. We're gonna try and just, I think we can't really get up to Loch Ness today. We've got to get past that bridge, which opens at like 8:30. So we've got to wait for that to open. And I think we've got to spend the entire day on that lock. But I hear there's a pub that we can dock up at and just get some food, some alcohol. Currently pissing down. Can't see if you can see the effect on the water. But yeah, man, it's pissing down right now. Anyway, we're gonna make some brekkie, bit brekkie-like, and then we're gonna set sail. Oosh.
Cut my life into pieces. This is my last resort. Suffocation, no breathing. Don't give a fuck if I come out bleeding. Would it be wrong? Would it be right? I would do my life tonight. Chances are that I might. Mutilation at the site. And I contemplated suicide. It seems you're having some trouble in dealing with these changes. Living with these changes. You better quit. Now the world is a scary place. Now that you've woken up the demon. Talking that shit. The enemy. You know, come on, get down with the sickness. You know, come on, get down with the sickness. You know, come on, get down with the sickness. Open up your hate and I never wanna make it.
Oh, we don't need to do the fucking dishwasher.
I tried brushing my tongue and I went too far.
Did you deep throat your fucking toothbrush?
Bit hard.
Oh man, it happens. Happens to the best of us.
Man, why the fuck am I the only one fucking doing it?
We've all done the dishes so far.
Dishes as well fucking yesterday.
What, you washed like 2 cups, you lying bastard? I did a full basket.
My mum even fucking hell. He volunteered. He's done fucking 0.
Yeah, he's got to do dishes and all.
I am more than him. You and him have to share the load of this.
I'm sous chef tonight. I do this shit as well.
Guys, would you look at this? Nick's fucking doing dishes. Wow.
Thank you.
Oh, the drying hands are coming out.
Okay, you have to do it now, Nick.
Drying arms, mate. You need guns for these fuckers. Nicholas.
This looks like the fucking thing I've ever seen.
Fuck off, you divvy cunt.
He's finally started washing dishes and he's done nothing but bitch about it.
Everyone fucking leave loads of shit on them again.
It's called food, you dickhead.
Bam!
Stop running the tap constantly.
Oh, the canal might drain dry.
Yeah.
You are a foul beast of epic proportion.
Oh, so all I've been eating's pure coffee for 2 days.
A beast of foul proportion.
Just as a warning to all future females, that is Nick's version of clean, a clean pan.
Oh, there's cheese on the outside still.
Fucking gross.
Oh, nice one,
Don't
Nick.
touch him with a barge pole.
Nah, he's a dirty man.
He's covered in cholera.
Cut my life into pieces. I reach my last resort. Suffocation, no breathing. Don't give a fuck if I cut my arm bleeding. Do you even care if I die bleeding? Would it be wrong? Would it be right? I would turn my life tonight. Chances are that I might. Mutilation at a sight.
There we have it. Nessie. Just out getting a bit scran, and mate, this mental rainbow has just appeared, like absolutely out of nowhere. 10 out of 10 out. 10 out of 10, mate.
Was that a nice shit you just had?
No, that was my fault.
Because I can fucking smell it. Oh my god. Who just had a shit or fart? Like, fuck me. How big was this name? I think it was definitely George's shit. Yeah, you smell it now. Fucking hell.
Also, did you shit in there?
He did.
No, I got fucking attacked by the door handle.
Did you actually not shit in there?
Attacked by your own
Yeah, you
shit.
shit in our
probably.
bathroom.
Who won't leave?
Okay, good.
Who can we open that door?
Open the fucking window. You farted.
There's a window behind you, Jack. Open that cunt now.
Watch this.
I can smell. Oh, me thing smells like aftershave.
Open that fucking window.
Oh, you bitch! I'm opening it. I'm doing it. I'm opening it.
Why did you fart? You like that, you bastard.
That stinks.
Fucking cunt. Watch this.
Get him. Get him.
Pictures has Tom had so far?
I haven't smelled it. I'm not
I
trying
have
to
the
either. though.
How many has he had?
The thing counted as all of them.
What, you mean when you didn't wear your hat into town?
No, the thing
You
didn't count
stinky
as all of
bastard, yeah.
Smelled
What
like
was the
fucking
thing?
everything we've eaten on this boat
I
so
don't remember,
far.
but I did remember the thing.
But like
No,
3
you didn't.
months from
You
now,
didn't
I
do
think
it.
we
You
stuck
remember
to
when I
time
had a scan,
traveller.
you didn't do it.
Because like
I
that
don't
was
think,
definitely
but I said I think
3-month-old spaghetti.
Yeah.
Mate,
It was.
shut the fuck up.
Yeah, that's been congealing in there, bro.
That was more congealed than the fucking
Hey,
spaghetti in that pan.
George, you might open that window over there.
I've got you.
off. You're literally churning my stomach. Just the fucking description of that cunt.
Can I finish?
Morning. It is now, unfortunately, our final day, final night. So it's kind of all hands on deck. It's time to get cleaned because I think we've done dirty things to this boat, like. So it's gonna be a day of cleaning. Then we're just gonna fire back up the lock and then get wrecked again. Probably. It'll be a good time. But yeah, man. I'll check in with you as well as always when I next deem it necessary. And here we have rare footage of a real life Nick Temple actually doing some fucking dishes. Wow, look at him.
Twice now.
Look at him.
This would be third time. How many times you done it?
Twice.
Yeah?
I've done more than you little bitch.
You get close to that window, you see what comes out.
And look, Oaken is being helpful like he has been on every other day on this trip. Doing his part. Oh, and here's Chef Mac making... That's going straight in the bin. Yeah, that's gross. Don't you dare! Don't you... Oh, no! Go on, tell us the master plan.
To make sure our toilet don't get hammed, we have to lock this and climb out porthole.
Yeah. So apparently, toilet hamming has become a thing on this boat. I'll show you what I mean. People's toilets keep getting hammed.
By a mysterious by the Hamburglar.
We're coming up with plans to stop the hamming. The anti-ham plan.
I think the only way to make sure it stops is to ham first, though.
Yeah. No, we have hammed.
Oh, yeah, we are.
I've hammed. I've done the ham. I am. Oh my god, I am the ham man.
You're the ham man. Do you want some whiskey?
No. Do you? I'll have some if you have some.
Let's have some whiskey.
What time is it?
I don't know. Whiskey time?
Mate, it's 1 o'clock.
Yeah, that's
That sounds like whiskey time. Let's go get some whiskey. Mmm, delicious. Anyone want a whiskey, like?
Why?
Aye? Oh, aye. This has been like the main theme of this trip. It gets to like 1, half 1, and it's just like, right, it's time to start drinking. Stop. Hurry up, lads, we've got to go and see the old broken walls here. Ah, here, walls, mate.
There's a sign, mate. Let's go and read it.
Invergary Castle. Oh mate, maybe we could squeeze through that little hole. Go on, stick your head in. Come on, stick your head in. Whoa. Ooh, 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 ooh. There's a hole. There's a hole. A hole in the fence.
Get into the hole.
Yeah, let's go find it.
Ah, look at the bend.
That's the one. Piss easy, mate. Piss easy. Cheers, bud.
I would feel fucking safe in the top. That's fucking stupid. The brick there says 2007.
What a lie. What a scam.
It's not even that old.
No, man. This shit right here is exactly why they block off places like this. Mate, if you can shimmy all the way around to that window there, that'll be better.
I want to get back down. What's the window?
Oh, we'll catch you, mate. We'll
It's not
catch
like
you.
a great thing where I can just jump into a hay bale.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
That's how it works.
Don't overdo it.
Oh, how am I getting like?
Go on, get him. Get him. Get him. Oh, that's quick, mate. Start her up. Let's get moving.
What's wrong? If you hammed his toilet again.
Oh, he's done. He's done for. It's going in through the roof. What the fuck? Get him, get him, get him, get him.
Stop me from getting in the potholes.
He's coming!
He's got his shoes in my hand.
Go and pull his shoes off, Walker. Pull his shoes off.
Open, open. Oh, I'm genuinely 1 minute. 1 minute. Ben.
Give me my shoe.
No, I didn't do it, so I don't feel bad. No. Fucking shit in the head.
This is probably the prettiest part of this canal journey, man.
Yeah.
Not you, Nick. Fucking move. Disgusting. So we've just been informed by the boat people that there's a storm brewing for us this evening. We've been told not to moor on any locks, and it's going to be worse at about 3. So that is going to be interesting. We will see how that goes. Maybe we'll sink. What do you reckon, Captain Jack?
We're going down, laddie.
This is it. Our final stop. Our final night. Our final eve. Who could help with the local crew?
Yes.
So,
Hey, Tim, you're definitely not.
Yeah, so why
Maybe one that covers.
Yeah, but I'm What the fuck? Do you have 2 bottles of that?
That's meant
2 different bottles. So one was in a sherry cask and one was in a red wine. I think that's
That's
the
a
red
red
wine.
wine.
Queen.
Okay.
Oh, bro, bro.
I went through it there before you put it down.
Good morning. It is our last morning here. We have to give this boat back in like an hour, and it's a fucking shithole, bro. It is a shithole. There's a lot to do. We have a lot of cleaning to do. Go on. We can do this. We've got this. Ugh. This storm is well and truly about to be upon us, and we've got one more lock to go through. Yeah, we go through now.
George, watch that wind, mate. Try and pull the boat away as soon as you're inside. I want the foot.
What's that, mate? What was that? So there we have it, folks. This brought us to the end of our Caledonian Canal adventure. Didn't really record too much after this, as it was well and truly hissing down with rain. It was horrible out there. And to add a bit of pain to this, I lost my car keys, my one and only set of car keys, and it took us about 2 hours to actually find them. So that was fun. But yes, as I said, this brought us to the end of this adventure. We had an absolutely unreal time. If you ever have any thought of whether or not to do something like this, I couldn't recommend it enough. It was an absolute blast. So yeah, if you got this far through, thank you very much for watching. Can't wait till the next adventure. It'll be grand. See you later.
With these changes, living with these changes. You better quit. Now the world is a scary place. Now that you've woken up the demon, talking that shit, the enemy. You know, come on, get down with the sickness. You know, come on, get down with the sickness. You know, come on, get down with the sickness. Open up your hate.